Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review a textbook for a class 11 and a 12th standard of biology. Okay, so this is a very fantastic book what I used and refer and teach for my students. So this is the additional book for my CBSE book for biology. So these books I got from online. So this book author is Asha Pillai, C.S. Sharma for biology class 11 and biology class 12th Asha Pillai and Indu Parthi, okay, for class 12. Okay, so this is one of the fantastic book what I read, and it is the book that what the content are present in a simplest manner. Okay, so it is very useful book for you for your all the competitive examination who going to write. Okay, so here also the redundancy useful for competitive exams. Okay, so same content what the present in a CBSE textbook that is given in an elaborate manner. Okay, so those who want to success in competitive exam, so you can definitely I refer this book for your preparation. Okay, so just we go through inside what are the content that present inside, what is the comparison between our CBSE textbook and this private book. Okay, so before we going to review this book, I want to say one thing. Most of the students who choosing biology, so their dream is for going for a MBBS. Okay, for a NEET, they want to write NEET. Okay, so for NEET examination, we don't go for put a stress yourself. Okay, first you go through NCERT. Okay, so maximum questions are coming from NCERT. Okay, so what is the pattern? 45 marks from botany and 45 marks from zoology. Okay, so I for my knowledge I am telling about for that NEET preparation biology, you can score 90% of marks when you very well in your preparation of NCERT book. Okay, so NCERT CBSE book. Okay, then you go for then private books what and all. Okay, first you should be very clear in your NCERT preferred CBSE book. Okay, so right that manner, so these books also is very helpful for you. The same content what that present in that our CBSE NCERT textbook. Okay, so just elaborated and simplest manner how can we understand the concepts. Okay, very beautiful pictures also given there. Every chapter after what questions are given for your well understanding. Okay, right, as we go through the content. Okay, while buying they give a CD also, but I missed the CDs. Okay, it is also helpful for you what the content that present in the book, same content will be present in the CD. Okay, so we have first you want to refer the textbook. Okay, just we start with the first page preference. Okay, so this is the first page. They written Asha Pillai and CS Sharma. This is the class 11 biology. Okay, right. So this is the torrent. Okay, I put that right. So see the content what I delivered: diversity in the living world, systematics, characters of living things, biological classification, virus, biology, puzzle, taxa, aids. I go through very fast. Okay, because it's more classification of plants. All the plants will be present, thallophyta, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperms are present there. And classification of animal, so it is a very interesting here how they classified in our CBSE NCERT textbook. Here also they classified very deeply and very clear pictures. It is very interesting here. And structural organization in animals and plants. Okay, so here tissue in plants. This next page you can see a chapter plant growth and development. Okay, so here also very interesting about that plant regulators, hormones, etc. Next unit 5 human physiology, digestion and absorption, also very explained with the neat diagrams, breathing and respiration and circulation of body fluids, excretion in and osmoregulation, movements and locomotion in animals, nervous system, control and coordination of endocrine system. Okay, so finally the all syllabus of first that means 11th fully covered here with see here NCERT syllabus. Okay, so unit 1 diversity in living world, and unit 2 structural organization in animals and plants, unit 3 cell structure and function, unit 4 plant physiology. Very interesting chapters are present here. Next one, unit 5 human physiology. Okay, the total first 11th textbook is covered here. Okay, so we can go through. I give a sample for first chapter. Okay, first chapter diversity of living organisms. We can see systematics. Okay, for that after reading this all the things you can see what you can see your analysis paper here. Okay, so you can validate yourself how much you can understand the topic in a subject. Okay, this is very helpful for you. Okay, nearly it is 11. Choose the correct answer, short answer questions, etc. are present here. Okay, same like classification of plants. Okay, see how the beautiful pictures are present. It is very helpful. So in biology means we love diagrams. Okay, that is very important for us. When we saw the diagram itself, we can realize ourselves. We have got a confidence to score a marks. Okay, right. Okay, next see, very interesting book. While I am going to class, I just refer these books and make some points for my students. Okay, right. And this is the volume 2. That means 12th standard book. Okay, by Asha Pillai and Indu Paruthi. Okay, right. So we directly go to the contents. First unit 6 sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health, unit 7 genetic and evolution, mental inheritance, chromosomal basis of inheritance, DNA replication and protein synthesis. Okay, can see gene expression and regulation, genome, and human genomics and human genome projects, evolution theories and evidence, unit 8 biology and human welfare. In that basic concepts of immunology, animal husbandry, plant breeding and tissue culture and food, common health, human disease, the useful microbes. Very interesting here you can see a lot of microbes they given. Okay, then adolescence and drug abuse, unit 9 biotechnology and its application. In there recombinant DNA technology, application of RDNA technology, issue related to biotechnology. And 10th one ecology and environment. Okay, in that ecology, introduction, ecosystem, biodiversity and conservation, environmental issues. Okay, these are the chapters they fully covered for that means for 12th standard. Okay, so they given clearly here. Unit 6 sexual reproduction for in both animals and plants, and unit 7 genetic and evolution, unit 8 biology and human welfare, and unit 9 biotechnology and its applications. Okay, and unit 10 ecology and environment. Okay, so these are the topics fully covered what that given in that NCERT books. Okay, so they mentioned the points very clearly, what the points we need, all expected points and related to examination. It is very helpful for us. So students, those who are preparing for your interesting in biology, first of all you want to get interest in biology. So you have an interest in biology of studying, loving this subject, to score more marks, you can additionally get these textbooks of Asha Pillai and Indu Parthi and C.S. Mishra for biology for class 11 and 12. Okay, so buy this book. I can give the description where to buy this in online. Okay, so go through in these books and prepare well, and thanks for watching.